Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use AutoDS coupon code. But before this, I will show you how you can get a 30-day free trial instead of 14 days for $1. So once you are on this page here, you have to register for AutoDS. So here what you need to do, just enter your email address, full name, password, or sign up with Google, and then just going to click join, and then here choose which platform you would like to sell on. For example, Shopify, and then again click on continue. You will now here see instead of the 14-day $1 trial, you will get a 30-day free trial on any plan, even the most expensive one. So let's say that I want to use starter 500 and pay monthly, then you can see I still get the 30-day free trial. So click on 30-day free trial on whichever package you would like to use. I will go with starter 500 for Shopify, and now the coupon code you can enter here. So it says I have a coupon, simply click on this and then here enter this code, so CP low dash and then 20, then click on validate. So enter this code right here to get an extra 20% off. So now you know an AutoDS coupon code that will get you a 20% discount. If this video was helpful, please leave a like on my video and please do subscribe to my channel. So this is how you can use AutoDS coupon code. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.